It's gonna be one of those days. Starting to spit with rain. It's windy as windy as windy. Like 80-mile-an-hour gusts or some bollocks. And here we are on a motorbike. It's a good idea, isn't it? Absolutely not. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. It has been a hot minute since we've done a talkie piece, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Let's do a little update video for you today. We are out on the Honda Africa Twin 1000 DCT, no clutch. I hope you're all doing well. It has been a hot minute since I've done one of these, honestly. I don't know if I've done one on the Africa Twin, have I? Since I lost the phaser? Sold the phaser, not lost it. Hopefully I won't lose my 360 camera. It's somewhere out there on the side. It's really, really windy today. Like really windy. Gusts of like 70, 80 mile an hour or something, it says online. 0% chance of rain, but don't know if I trust that either, to be honest. I'm very hungry. Don't know why I do it to myself. Should have eaten something today. I've had a few months off on the bike. We did the massive trip in July this year, 23. We went over to Ireland. We did, I think, 2,800 miles, I'd like to say. 2,500 miles on the bike in a week. Did a full lap of Ireland, which was class, absolutely class. Saw some brilliant stuff, brilliant roads. And you know, it's just a good adventure, isn't it? Being able to go and explore like that. The bike's been sort of taking a bit of a back seat recently, but kind of had a bit of an urge to get back on it recently. I've missed it so much. I've ridden it once in about a month and a half, maybe more, which is absurd for me because I've done over 11,000 miles this year since I bought this bike. In the last, what, 9 months or so, I've done about 11,000 miles on this, and I'm starting to have that tickle for wanting something new. I know I've only had it 9 months, but I feel like I've got everything out of this bike that I would want, if that sounds weird. Fuck this guy. So yeah, it's very windy, and I'd like to apologise for the noise. I'm a little bit worried about the 360 camera because my mount's been outside for the last 6 months in all sorts of weather. Turning. No, I'll go to the front. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We've got a gap. We go to the front. I think he let me go. I said thanks anyway, because I'm nice. .360 still there. Good news. We're heading for higher ground is the plan today. Even though it's really, really, really windy, we're going to go for the highest possible ground near me. Just because it sounds stupid and fun. So we're going to go cruise through some woodlandy bits. tarmac, obviously, I'm not going mad. Yeah. Oh, you big lorry bastard. You gonna let me go? Legend. But I appreciate it, so fucking let's do it. Oh, he was waiting for me. What a boy. Fucking windy. Oh. That's my one thing. The sound of this bike is very nice. It sounds beautiful. It's just, it's not... I don't know whether I just need to put a new exhaust on it and it would sort my life out. Because I don't mind riding it. I think it's fucking well fun. I just like the idea of a sport bike. Because I'm a rowdy child. It's not this one, is it? No. I can't believe it's like mid to late December and it's 13 degrees out. It's wild. Anyone gonna come over this bridge? Nice bit of bridge, that. I heard a story about the Beatles or something having a photo taken on that bridge, but I don't know, I can't remember what it was and I don't know if it's true, so go and check out the island video. The island video is pretty sick. I enjoyed that a lot. Kayaks. It's a shame it's a little bit slippery up here today. Oh, fuck me. Okay. So what I mean? First gear. And then second gear. Brilliant. This is where it's going to start getting properly windy, I think. We are high up now. That was a lot of elevation gain in not a lot of time. There's a track up here that one day I'd love to do. Where is it? This one here. This one here. Love to go up that. It's like a knobbly dirt track. Loads of stones. I haven't got the right tyres. This is where it gets hella windy, but the views are worth it. I keep telling myself anyway. I apologise for the wind up here, but fuck me, it's beautiful. This is nothing for miles. Runners. I'm doing that this afternoon. We're doing lots of running actually. That's been my my evening hobby, to be honest. In the dark, going out running. Did it for, you know, November challenge, but we just did it as like a, you have to run 100 kilometers in a month, which is averages out about 3k a day or so, 3.4k a day, something like that. And it's honestly, it did me a world of good. I did way more. I did about 150k in 30 days, 140k, which was amazing. I loved it, and I'm still running. I did a half marathon 2 weeks ago, for longest ever time running and doing any sort of exercise. The wind up here is fucking outrageous. Might have to stop and take a photo of my bike in a minute. Here is where I'm stopping. Doris is going to catch me up, but oh well, I'll have to take her in a bit. Banana skin, don't slip. Bit of that. Glove. Shitty thermal. Still recording. Very low battery. Still recording. Oh, I don't know. Has it stopped? What's gone on? No! It stopped recording. Why? Oh, right. No, no, my glove, don't do it. Don't do it. Bit of a... Motorbikes are amazing. It's so windy. It's fucking freezing. Why am I doing this? This is why I'm doing it. Look at this fucking view. It's stunning. It's so sunny over there. I want to go where it's sunny. This hill's a little bit intense, actually. I forgot how intense this hill is. Jesus. Jesus. I've seen so many cars broken down on this hill before. On the way up. It murders like old camper vans. Oh, the wind. Wow, there's a cool house up there, but I'm going around a corner, so I can't really look at it. Don't shit on my chest. Brrr, cattle grid. The wind, the wind. There's so much wind. You know what they say, speed up when there's loads of wind. Whoa. It's so windy. It's so windy, oh my god. Oh my lord. This is fucking silly. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. If I don't see you before the end, make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my island video from last week. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. So much. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, I just heard a text. Ponies! Slowing. Whoa, that wind is intense. It's just like a barrage of 80-mile-an-hour wind. What a beautiful fucking place. There's not enough like this in fucking the world, is there? Places like this. Or they're easily accessible anyway. I am getting blown around here like a maniac. I'm loving it. Whoa! That one was actually dangerous. It is so windy. Fuck me. Don't ride in the wind. It's a bad idea.